Was there any items that you didn't pay for? That's a fake child?
No, that's my child.
Oh, okay.
January 2nd, 2023, Aurora, Colorado. Officers responded to a 7-Eleven on an encounter, produced one arrest, one citation, and a series of legal issues covering retail theft law, stop and identify obligations, false identification, an outstanding warrant, and officer discretion.
They're still in there. This car?
I don't know. Maybe.
I want to go down to the other side, but...
You want to slide around the back?
Yeah, give me a... I'll hump it. Do you have a ride that's in 7-Eleven? Hey guys.
Yeah.
How's it going today?
Good.
You guys just doing some shopping?
Yeah.
Okay. Was there any items that you didn't pay for?
No.
No?
No.
Okay, can you just hold on just 1 second?
Yeah.
The 7-Eleven called.
What did we do?
Okay. Do you guys have anything you didn't pay for?
No.
Okay, let's go back inside. Come on, right back here.
What did we do?
How you doing? Hey, I'm Officer Anderson.
I just paid for my stuff.
Yeah, we got a complaint. We got to go talk to him.
Let's
about
go
some
inside
stuff,
and we'll work this out, okay?
Bro, this is weird, bro. I got an Uber right here waiting.
I know. Let's go. We'll get this sorted out.
Bro.
Just wait right here. Where are the items?
This one they didn't pay and you can
In the
check
bag?
in the bag.
Can we see in the bag, please?
Oh, damn, BM, you supposed to pay for that shit. What the fuck?
That's a fake child?
No, that's my child,
okay.
bro. She was trying to steal this shit, bro.
Just keep the items right here. No. Put them right here.
Here,
Put them right here.
just set them over here.
Right down on the ground.
Hey, y'all like we finna blow this motherfucker up or something.
No. What? But is there any other items?
No, boss man, that's it. I don't have nothing. I just bought this.
Can you turn out your pocket for me?
Boss man, I'm not finna sit here and lie to you. My cell phone and everything. I don't have nothing else. He just told you where the item was at.
What's
I didn't even know did I know you was stealing their mama? Be honest.
Hey, miss, what's your name?
Do you have your ID on you, man?
Yeah. Wait, do I have my fucking ID?
What's your...
No, it's actually it's at the room. At my hotel room.
Okay.
Well, why'd you take my name for down? What did I do?
He saw you put items in there.
You saw me put items in there?
What's your...
What are you talking about?
What's your phone?
Either way, I gotta get your information. Come over here.
Boss man, why is you asking me for
You're
all
involved. I need your name.
I'm involved in what?
You're here with her. It's not gonna be a big deal.
We'll sort this out, okay?
Is she tight on money? Like, are you guys hurting?
No.
No? How come she would take stuff then?
I honestly don't know. I have seizures, boss man. I didn't even know she was just doing this. I asked him, I'm up here picking out my items.
Alright. What's your phone number?
I don't have a phone number at this moment.
You got 2 phones. What's your phone number?
I don't have a phone number at this moment. They're not paid for right now.
No phone number?
No.
Where are you guys living?
At a hotel.
What hotel?
What's the name of it? In town? In-town Suites. Suites, something like that.
In-town suites?
Yes.
In what town?
Right here.
In Aurora?
No, literally, right here up the street. My Uber's gonna leave me. Can I let my Uber know not to leave me?
He's not gonna leave without you.
Yes, he is. We've been in here for I don't know how long.
I just talked to him.
I'll let him know right now.
What is the address of the place?
I don't know the address, boss man. I just literally came there like 2 days ago. I'm currently homeless.
You don't know what the name is?
I just told you, In-Town Suites.
That's not a hotel I'm aware of.
Janae, do you have an ID?
Do you have a driver's license or ID?
No.
No, like, have you ever had one?
Yes.
In Illinois?
The ID, yes.
Okay.
I just told you I left it at the wrong.
If we can't identify you, we have to take your fingerprints.
You gotta give me a fake name, right?
No.
Okay.
Why would I give you a fake name?
I just making sure.
Why is you discriminate? Do I need to take the ski mask off? Like what it is, boss man? That's why you asking me my hurt for money. I have money.
Because we're hurt. We were only here because we got called. There's no record coming back for your name.
There's no record coming back from.
It's not coming back to anything.
How is it not coming back to anything?
I don't know. Can you go by a different name?
No.
You have a picture of your ID?
No, I'm finna try to call my mom. Can I see one of you guys' phone?
No, we can't lend you our phone right now.
I can't call my mom?
From our phones? No. How do you get an Uber if you don't have a phone?
I just use the Wi-Fi at the hotel.
Like, our phone's not, his phone's not on. It's not.
I don't have no reason to lie.
I know.
The dad
You lied to me at first, though.
I lied to you about what? What I lied to you about?
Yeah.
Do you have a different name? Have you ever been arrested?
No.
Never been arrested?
No.
Okay.
Actually did see
you
the
have an
police
Illinois-
station one time. Yeah, what?
Do you have an Illinois ID or driver's license?
I just asked you that question. You just asked me that 3 times. It's like you tried to catch me up with something, like I'm lying to something.
What
I just
address
told you.
did
I have
you
an
use for your ID? What town did you used to live in before you were homeless? I have to be able to find out who you are. You're not free to go.
I just asked you. I told you I have seizures, boss man. I just asked you, can I call my mom real fast so she can help me out? Right now, I don't know what's going on. I'm completely.
I don't have a phone that you can use. What's your mom's phone number?
You just said you ain't got no phone, but I can't call.
I'll call her. What do you want me to ask her?
What the?
What do you want me to ask her? I gotta be able to verify who you are. You're not free to leave.
Ask her. Is my name on?
Do you have an ID card?
Okay,
Do you have a picture of it?
Tell her you right here with her son, Omarion Lewis. Right now, I don't like how you sit here discriminating right now.
I'm not
I
discriminating.
really don't.
I'm only here because I was called.
Hey, just go back to this, okay? You got called.
Yeah, I get that, but he totally discriminating.
We're
bro.
here because
I'm sitting here being polite. I just walked out to him standing next to my Uber,
We're not
trying to, like, what the hell?
We're not being just. We do have both you guys in handcuffs right now. Easily. Okay? We're trying to work through this. He needs to be able to confirm who you are.
I just asked, can I call my mom? I actually have seizures. I'm not lying to you, sir. I literally just recently got out of the hospital.
If I go
Okay, can I
I'm
see
not
that?
lying to you.
If
Can
I
I
go
see it?
grab my phone and we call somebody, can they send a photo of your ID so we can confirm who you are? Use your name on the
Okay, Don Tell. Nice to meet you, Don Tell. 3/21. Let's try this again with a different name. Why didn't you give me that name the first time?
Boss man, I literally just got out the hospital. I'm not in my right state of mind. I'm not lying to you.
Well, you could have looked at your wrist.
I just thought about this right now when I just told you. Just like to tell you, I
What's
just
your
got
middle
the
name?
hospital.
What's your middle name?
Why is you being so tough? Can I talk to somebody else because he's being so like, bro?
No middle that we know of right now.
How old is he? 4 months. Are you your father?
What does he want to do? He said he wants to sign complaints. Alright. How much is the value here?
You might have put it out.
Was you gonna make me pay for that?
What's that?
You gonna make me pay for that?
It's too late for that.
What are you talking about?
10-9 on that? You could just send that to our
No,
cars,
how about
the name.
this right here?
I understand what you
I didn't steal nothing out of this store. Y'all not making sense right now.
But you're with her, right?
This is my baby mom.
Right.
She just even told you I didn't know she was
We
stealing.
questioned everybody involved, and you gave me a fake name.
I didn't mean to give you a fake name. Honest to God truth. Do my name come back for a warrant? I don't care about you running my name. Get my lawyer on the phone. Where where's you going with this? Let me know where you going
We're
with
gonna figure that out. We gotta talk to the store.
These
Okay.
items here. So I need you to provide, like, if you can ring them up, and then provide me with the receipt with the total value and an itemized list of what these items are. So can you scan them and then void the sale? And that way we have documentation of how much items. Anybody got a work?
Did he put any of the items in there? No. He did not?
These things. And one candy bag. Yeah, so like,
Did you?
Fourth Amendment investigative detention. Under Terry v. Ohio, 392 U.S. 1, 1968, officers may detain an individual without probable cause when they possess reasonable articulable suspicion of criminal activity. A confirmed shoplifting complaint from store staff, independently corroborated by in-store surveillance, satisfies that threshold. The detention of both subjects from first contact was constitutionally valid. At Shoplifting C.R.S. 18-4406, Colorado law defines shoplifting as knowingly concealing merchandise with intent to deprive a merchant of its value. The statute does not require the subject to physically exit the premises. Concealment on the person while still inside the store completes the actus of the offense. Store surveillance capturing the act of concealment constitutes sufficient probable cause for arrest under C.R.S. 16-3 Manovo 3. At Stop and Identify Hiibel v. 6 Judicial District Court of Nevada 542 U.S. 177 2004. At the Supreme Court held that state stop and identify statutes requiring a detainee to provide their name are constitutional under both the Fourth and Fifth Amendments, provided officers possess reasonable suspicion. Imposes this obligation on lawfully detained individuals. Failure to provide accurate identifying information does not implicate the Fifth Amendment right against self-incrimination. Where identity cannot be established, officers may take the subject to a station for fingerprinting as a lawful investigative measure. Obstruction C.R.S. paragraph 18.8.104, providing a false name during a lawful detentions, satisfies the elements of obstructing a peace officer under Colorado law. The statute requires knowing interference with an officer's official duties. A subject who offers one name, finds no record returned, and subsequently provides a different name during the same encounter, has supplied a false statement within the scope of an active investigation. Whether the act was intentional or the product of genuine confusion is a question of mens rea relevant at trial, but not to probable cause.
Watch this with your own eyes or on camera?
camera. Because that side you can't see from here. So I'm like observing in camera. We just drop them.
Okay.
It's gonna do a citation. Okay.
She's got a 99, so they're confirmed.
Oh,
So you got the obstruction.
well, never mind then. We'll just do it all at the station now.
Yeah.
But he didn't conceal anything, so. Okay.
Not tonight.
32, 30.
This is it?
But if we avoid the items, it will show that this these items. These are the prices. For
What are these? Oh, it just it
this
voids it
time
out, so it removes it?
Yeah.
This is everything? Let me just get some photos.
32.
Where's the items at? Right here. You just lay them out for me? Okay. We're just waiting for some information to come back, okay? Alright, miss. So you got a warrant. That's what we're waiting on. Okay? So you want to give child dad here? Is that okay with you?
Where's she going in?
Yeah. Got a warrant.
$575.
570.
Yeah, it's about down.
For her to get out?
575.
You have some money that you can give her or anything? Your
Not
card?
Not right now.
Are you able to bond her out tonight or no?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Right. Alright, let's go outside. We don't have to do this in here. Hey, we're right over here. Let's put your hands behind your back for me. Thank you. So watch your head. You're on audio and video recording, okay?
Oh.
You okay? What's wrong?
Just have to spit on my shoe.
Alright, you good?
Yeah.
Okay.
Outstanding warrant arrest authority. Under C.R.S. 1633-103, a peace officer must arrest a person when an active warrant is confirmed, regardless of the underlying offense that initiated the encounter. The warrant from a separate county constituted an independent mandatory basis for arrest, fully insulated from any challenge to the shoplifting or obstruction charges. Bond was set consistent with standard Colorado schedules for a Class 2 misdemeanor with a warrant hold. At citation in lieu of arrest of discretion. Colorado law authorizes officers to issue a summons and physical arrest for Class 2 misdemeanor and petty offenses. This discretion is codified under C-104. Officers elected to cite rather than arrest the male subject, citing child welfare as a collateral consideration. This is a recognized factor in discretionary arrest decisions and does not compromise the legal validity of the citation. Key legal lessons. 1. Concealment inside the store is sufficient for a shoplifting charge. Physical exit is not a required element under C.R.S. Prov 18-4406. 2. A detainee has a constitutional obligation to provide their name under Hiibel. Providing a false name during a lawful detention is a separate, chargeable offense under C.R.S. 18-8104. 3. An outstanding warrant from any jurisdiction requires immediate arrest regardless of the originating call. 4. Officers may cite in lieu of arrest for minor offenses when collateral consequences including child custody justify restraint. Discretion is a tool of the law, not a departure from it.